Hello everyone, this is Lolly. I'm back. I've been gone for a little while. We had company, we went camping, and various other things. So I want to show you what came for my shop while I was gone. I have restocked the phone die set and the camper die set. This is new, and this is Cottage Cuts die, and it's a baking pan with utensils. Very cute. You could do like a little gingerbread man on here, if you have a little way to make a little gingerbread man. I restocked the coffee cup or teacup with the donuts die. And this is new. I got this Stamping Bella. I just love their Edna line. This is Edna, and this one is called Edna to the Rescue. And she's a nurse carrying this huge bandage, and it says, "Wishing you a speedy recovery." The matching die, oops, turn that around. There's the matching die. There's the backs. And I'm selling them as a set so that I don't have leftover dies or leftover stamps. So these are coming as a set at a discount. And I have these in my shop now, so if you collect enamel pins, these are the Wander collection by My Mind's Eye. Got a scooter, the little forest, the camera, and the camper. Very cute. 4 enamel pins with a butterfly closure. And last time I quickly ran out of these fine tip applicator bottles, and they are back in my shop. There's 2 in every pack. I also restocked these embossing magic pads, and they stop your embossing powders or glitters from sticking. I also stocked the Versamark re-ink, watermark re-ink. And now I have the Fisker's dual tip stylus, the little balls on the end. It's for what we call dry embossing, but you can use it for other things, for poking, and you can use it for dot painting, for the mandala painting. And one more thing that I also have restocked now, and it's the Jumbo Uno cards. So there they are, and I used to sell them in sets of 6, and now I'm selling them in sets of 8, and they are 7.4 inches by 10.1 inch, so they're really large. So just so you know, that's what the sizes are. I can't guarantee you any particular color or, numbers in your order if you order the Uno cards. But if you ever have a question and do want to see if something's available, please message me through my shop, through Etsy. If you leave a message on my video, then I'm not going to see it until after I process your order, and it'll be really hard to pull that order back and give you the Uno cards that you were requesting. So, and that's even if I have those specific Uno cards left. So thank you for watching. I do have a huge thrift store haul to work on. I'm not sure if it's going to be 1 or 2 videos, but during these last 2 weeks, we have been thrift store shopping 6 times. So I got some really cool things to share, and I will give you a link below to my shop, and thank you so much for watching.